Right, I'm going to try and install Windows 7. I'm going to show you something, and then I'm going to try something. Now, sorry, this is balancing my laptop here. No logical, sorry for the pun, reason why Windows 7 would refuse to load, install, other than what I've said previously. So, I've got a whole new partition on its own, nothing on it, all ready for Windows, and I click install now. I've been at this an hour before I come up with this idea, and I'm pretty sure it must be recognising that Linux is there, as I mentioned before. Right, now this one here, disk 0 partition 1, has Ubuntu on it, nothing else but Ubuntu. That is completely empty. Right, so we'll make a new partition. That's a really quick format, so I have run through this already, but I'm filming this because I'm pretty sure setup was unable, blah, 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 blah. Right, now, so I'm going to exit that, and what I'm going to do, I'm not going to turn it off because it's just going to reboot, which I don't want it to do. I've already taken the bottom off this. There's my second hard drive bay, which I've told you about. There's a hard drive in there where the optical disc used to be. That cable there, to go from there to there, which is where the other plug is, for some strange reason, right, that's the best part of £100. I mean, that's the cost of a hybrid drive in 500 gigabytes. It's just a fucking rip-off. Now what I've just done is I've unclipped, unplugged the main hard drive with Ubuntu on it, because I'm loading up something and I'm pretty sure, sorry, bit of dirt on the thing. I'm pretty sure that it's designed to see if there's something else there, and I think the idea is that because people have to have Windows, they don't bother with the Linux. Right, so let's just see if we go to that. We'll go through exactly what we did before. Right, and Linux hasn't been around for 5 minutes. You know, it's been around for years. And Microsoft and Steve Ballmer are damn well aware of it. Let me just clean this. It's doing me head in. They're well aware it's been around for years. I mean, I dual booted at university in 1998. Red Hat. God knows what number it was. I remember it had a sky blue case with a red hat and a white face in the corner, something like that. Oops. Right, now this shouldn't be successful, technically speaking. Got one partition. Oh. Why can't it do that? Oh. Okay. I did think I wasn't going to get through it, but I am. And there you go. By simply unplugging the hard disk that has Ubuntu 12.04 LTS installed on it, Windows now wants to play. Now what I find really grating and offensive with this, right, is they want to charge you through the earth for their software while they deliberately rig it, right, so it doesn't play fair with other things, right. And because of that, I've now made the decision that I will always use a Linux operating system, right. I will never go over to Windows 8, right, and if it refuses to fucking play ball in future, I will never buy it. It's as simple as that. And I will never buy a system ever again, certainly a laptop, right, with anything to do with Microsoft installed on it. And that bloody idiot who runs Microsoft like it's the American military, Steve Ballmer, the leaping lizard, you know, people like him should stay out of things like this. You know, this isn't the American military, right? I mean, he's not just doing it, he's doing it to the rest of the world when they do this. It's like, we want to own this, nobody else can play. I'll be honest, you know, if that's their attitude to everything, they won't wonder why the rest of the world bloody hates them. But anyway, it's very underhand, not very nice. I wouldn't mind if Windows bloody run okay, but it doesn't even do that. Anyway, it's installing at long last, and I will cut this off and do another video when it's done or closer to being done. Now I'm going to go and get some milk so I can make a tea.